Hey guys, it's your boy Ender back in another video, and today we are going to be battling my custom 3D printed Beyblade, Celestial Aries, versus these Beyblade combos based off of Cookie Reacts Manga. So it's going to be really fun battles. I may sound a little bit tired in today's video because I just got home about an hour ago from hiking all day at a national park, and I saw like this cool natural bridge monument and stuff. I'll put some pictures after this clip for you guys. Also went spelunking, which is cave diving for all of you that don't know, which was really cool. I went over 350 feet underground. It was really cool. Kind of sucked because I had to wear a mask, of course, down there, which made it hard to breathe. But I had a great time nonetheless. I'll see you guys. Oh, also I wanted to add that I got this cool falsite mineral when I was there at the gift shop, which is really cool. It's like this nice milky green, really pretty. I'm gonna add it to my collection of other gemstones I've gathered over my life. I just wanted to add this real quick. I'll see you guys next. I forgot to mention what the combos were. So this one is Ace Spriggan, Convert Eternal 10. Then I have Judgment Diabolus and Blitz Trick. And then Union Valkyrie, Blitz Quick Dash Retsu. We're going to be doing first Beyblade to 4 points, and let's get started. Aries is in defense mode. We'll start with Spriggan. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, 1 point Aries with a survivor finish. Yeah, I fixed Celestial so I can start doing videos with it again. One of its metal blades came off again because of, yeah, it's just the way it's designed. Okay, another survivor finish, so 3 points Aries. Try to make sure the stadium stays in frame. It's a lot smaller, so it doesn't move around as much. Yeah, this Ace Spriggan combo looks pretty cool though. This has the launcher pretty good too. Okay, and that's 4 points overall. We'll move on to the next combo, which will be, let's do the Union Valkyrie. Yeah, but this old Hasbro launcher from yeah, it actually came with a rare pre-dual layer bay, but it's actually pretty powerful. More than I remember at least. Okay, so it's 0 to 1, 1 point to Union Valkyrie. Switching to stamina mode on Aries. There is no contact. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it's tied 1 to 1. Okay, hopefully the glue stays solid on Aries. 3, 2, 1. 2-1. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the next video after this is going to be Mirage versus Celestial, because I really want to see that battle. Yep, okay. So that is 3-1. I'm pretty sure that's 3-1. So probably one more battle. If you want to go shoot. Okay, that's 4-1. Celestial Aries wins. Of course it won. My partner is really powerful. And then now we're on to the final combo, Judgment Diabolos. Which is basically hard to control. It's a trick that I try really. This one. Yeah, I can't wait for my new Diabolos launcher to come in. Oh my god, I don't have a streak. Okay, 0-1. 1 point to Diabolos. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the pictures that I'm going to edit in from my little trip, that because I had to drive 2 hours out to go to the national park. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, 1-1. Can't wait for after this video so I can just relax. I'm so tired. I'll also be able to. You got something watching. I'll also be able to watch Supernatural until I go to sleep. And play art. That was a mislaunch. I swear to God, this bait has to be difficult. Okay, I'm putting Aries into attack mode so we can end this. Pretend. Okay, it's 2-1. Yeah, I can't wait until I get a new stadium. Like it's clear to Caratoni Stadium, so I can like have it taped down for videos. 2-1 still. Oh my god. Please just end this already. I'm so exhausted. Go to it. Yeah, I have no idea how much longer my launch is. Okay, now it's 2-2. I have no idea how much longer my launcher is going to survive for. It's literally dying. I'm about to just okay, let's go, God. Resume good. Okay, contact. 3-2. One more battle. Hopefully. Yeah, this Hasbro launcher actually has some pretty good strength. I know Goob did a video testing, like comparing different launcher strengths, and this one tested number 5. So that's pretty good. Even though it's a Hasbro. Okay, now it's 3-3. Just die. My launcher can't last any longer. Pretty soon go. I'm only confident in this draw. Yeah, my launchers finally, my Chosen Achilles launcher's finally dead. It can't launch right spin bays anymore. And it looks like it's about to die for completely. Okay, it's over. Aries won every battle. So, okay, well, if you guys enjoyed this video, I recommend liking and subscribing for more Beyblade content to come. Hit the bell to be notified every time I upload. Come join my public Discord. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.